kiss it, no Rodney.
Kiss what? How are that? How would the blood clot do that, girl?
There are several taboo subjects in Jamaica that will never see the light of day, at least not anytime soon. It is somewhat sad that we tend to bury the conversations about these topics or fail to even start it because of what society may think of us. And in all honesty, all this is doing is seizing the flow of information or knowledge that we might gain as a people. Protecting our own image is more important than addressing the issues at hand, or maybe we just aren't given the appropriate platforms to address the meat of the matter, whatever that may be.
I don't think nothing really wrong with that, but some people say it's funny, but I don't think that. I don't think that about myself. I get worried, a lot of customers. People come from Mobile, St. Elizabeth, all over. Yeah. Everywhere. I just know.
Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. And remember to turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. Let's start by first finding out what the actual meaning of taboo is. It is a social or religious custom prohibiting or restricting a particular practice or forbidding association with a particular person, place, or thing. There are many taboos in Jamaica, but a lot of these stem from sexual content, and although it may be the norm in other countries, it is a no-no in Jamaica. Topics such as oral sex, homosexuality, transgender, incest, and rape are just a few. Personally, I believe as a nation, we don't want to address these topics because it will shine a good light on the subject, and we just can't have that. Jamaica is often called a Christian country, and so we follow the teachings of the Bible, and because of that, we tend to stay far away from situations that are controversial to the world. Any scenario that places two men together is a huge no. With women, well, however, this is an entirely different situation. Government officials do speak on the topic of rape. However, it is the people who don't want to continue the conversation. Why? It beats me. But not having these conversations is doing more bad than good, as our citizens aren't being educated on the matter. While rape is one of these taboo subjects, sexual abuse, more specifically on males, is one of the least talked about topics in Jamaica. Again, no education on that either. Talking about sex around children is also a main one. That's changing now, as children are now having children. Recently, someone posted a question in the media about prostitution. Should it be legal or illegal? That is something that we don't talk about in Jamaica, however important the conversation may be. Gender roles in the family also is a controversial topic in Jamaica, as there is tension when it comes to speaking about anything that fails to place the men in the position of power. One of the most important of them, though, is the lack of conversations on mental health. We have minimum conversations on suicidal thoughts or actions, especially among the young people in the country. Though there are platforms provided to voice concerns on this matter, people tend to just sit on their thoughts. Another of these taboo subjects is not talking about obia and ancestral worship, which is practiced secretly by some persons in some parts of the island. The good news is, though, that as time goes by, the list is getting shorter, as we are getting more liberal as a people. It is my belief that it is just a matter of time before we'll be having these conversations right off the bat. Thank you for joining me, and if you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, consider doing so, and turn on notifications. Thank you. I'm Alexx. Bless.